Giving full credit to a piece of work that someone has participated in is by far the most important. Some people might just want to pay tribute or express meaning behind their video. Others might use credits to put a thanks note to someone who have inspired them to make it. And are you looking for a creative but simple way to show credits? Well then stop looking, start listening and keep watching on. This is the ultimate tutorial for you to learn how to do exactly that. Hey guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial. This is Audrey and you're watching Infovids. Before we start, I'd like to give you all a friendly welcome to this channel. If you are new to Infovids, then please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to gather further insights on video editing, photo editing and software tips and tricks. So anyways, back on the subject, making credits. I'll be using an application called Wondershare Filmora. You could get it for a 30-day free trial or purchase it for a one-time payment. It's an investment well earned. Download it, install it and open it up. The first thing you would want to do is to import your completed project. In the real case scenarios, this might be a collaboration project, a movie or a documentary. And I put together a small video that might be for a video trailer. It consists of a few clips, a few effects and a couple of soundtracks. I'll open it up so you can see what I'm working with.
I can feel it. The forest is dying. It's living on its last breath. There's no balance in the forest anymore. And I know what's causing it. It's the bars. The forest feels trapped. But wait, there's something else. A creature that lurks these parts. Maybe that's the disturbance I feel. Something has to be done. I need to save it, but I don't know how.
Sends chills down your spine, right? Well, to top this movie off, what it needs is credits. So there can be different types of credits. And when I say types, I mean styles. During the years, Hollywood movies have increased their style of end credits to a far amount, which makes the ending look way more awesome and epic. Take for example the Avengers end credits. Its style is priceless, with its 3D animations and advanced motion tracking. Another good few examples would be Oblivion, Mission Impossible, Game of Thrones, Crimson Peak and The Lord of the Rings. And how could I forget the most iconic credit styles that range from the 19th century, Star Wars. Wish I could show them on my screen but I can't due to copyright claims, so make sure you check them all out. Before getting started on this however, I want to note out that I've opened my project of the trailer rather than importing the exported version. I recommend you to do the same thing. This is especially useful if you want to adjust the music between your last segment of the movie and the end credits. That's what I'm going to do here, so I've opened it up. For you guys, you could import it or open it. It's totally up to you. Right, for now let's head on to the titles tab. Then click on the end credits category, which can consist of 14 different styles. Play each one and find one that you like. I'm going to go with credit 11. It's this nice simple text group that fades in and out. At this stage, you would want to change what the text says, probably even the font. Once you do all this, preview it, and if you find something wrong or edgy about it, then fix it as well. Now the next thing I found odd about this credit is that its fade was way too long in the beginning. If you're having the same issue or if you want to adjust it, then double click on your text and click the Advanced button. Once the Advanced Text Edit dialog box pops up, you have the option to change everything you want with these text elements, which includes color, border, shadow and most important, animation. You could experiment with these and I recommend for you to check them out. However, I'm not going to do anything with these texts because I want it to be minimal but epic at the same time. For an insight on these tools, head on to our video over there. To change the animation of text, you would have to drag the white markers at the beginning backwards. I'm going to settle on the 7th bar here. This might differ according to your mood and music, so try out things at this stage and find a style you like. So I just kept everything here pretty normal with the change in animation at the front. Click the OK button to apply the changes. And the next step would be to copy and paste this credit style, credit 11, twice at the end of the timeline. Hit the keys Ctrl-C to copy. Make sure you have the track selected and hit Ctrl-V. Right now, I'm going to speed the video up so that I don't bore you with me changing these texts. Wonderful, the text has been changed. You could copy these elements a few times and get the message through, but hey, it's not that effective. So what I'm going to do now and what you should be doing is checking out the credit 1. It's the standard rolling credits that you can see in almost every film. This includes The Empire Strikes Back and Back to the Future. It's classic and simple but unique. Drag and drop that credit onto the end of the timeline. Go ahead and change everything you want. You could add more credits and less depending on what you're showcasing. If you feel like credit 1 is going too fast, then you can adjust its duration to a longer level to make it go slower. Now I can stop this tutorial as it is and end it, but there are 3 more credit styles that I want to focus on. Again, head into the titles tab and then drag and drop credit 8, credit 9 and credit 7. Credit 8 is amazing and smooth. It's divided itself into 3 columns and almost 5 text groups in it. It's great to get the message through. It's readable if you're using a clear font. Now credit 9 is almost similar to credit 8, except it's divided into 2 columns. This is perfect if you don't have too much text to show on screen. The animation is just perfectly timed. The last of them all is a bit strange, but it is used and can be used to your advantage. You can use these credit styles for logos and company end credits. I bet you've seen dozens of these at the end of films. You could use this in a similar way. If the animations are too fast, then adjust it by going to the Advanced Text dialog box. You could also change the duration of the text element as well. And there you go, the credits are done and it looks beautiful. It's minimal and it's clear. But there's something else that we can do to spice it up a bit. If you don't prefer the black background and its simplicity, then you can add a picture behind it. Import the desired picture and then drag and drop it under the text elements. If you want, you could always change the opacity and add a square blur. Amazing, you're done. Here's what we've got. And I proved how easy it can be to add credits at the end of your video using just Filmora. When you use Filmora, you don't have to use any other editor to complete your work. Filmora's a spot-on video editor to get your work done fast. And I guess we've come to the end of this tutorial, but our work is never done. Your satisfaction and the power of knowledge is our pursuit, and we'll never stop making videos to fulfill your needs. This is why Infovids is here. We are here to help you understand what you're working with a fun and enjoyable way. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our daily releases. Also give this video a thumbs up and a comment. Have you got any questions that are dying to be answered? Then ask away, we'll make sure to answer. Remember, we love what we are doing, helping you fulfill your goals. With all this being said, I'll see you in the next tutorial.